Can you guys see me? Hi. So I'm about to start the vlog in a couple of seconds. But right now, I'm about to try to get pictures in my backyard. Y'all see my backyard is nothing but like grass and like it's trees back there. But like, of course I want the sunlight hitting my outfit. And now we sending gifts like if it's Christmas. He say, baby, every day we want it. I say, switch, switch. Hey, you all. So, I came back in the house and I literally just posted my pictures on Instagram. So, if you haven't already, go check those out. But I'm on live right now. Say hey to the live. Ain't nobody on here, you all. We don't have no viewers. But we did have some viewers. But right now, you all, I'm literally just about to redo my lipstick. And I'm about to film a YouTube video. Now, I don't know what kind of YouTube video I want to do. Hey, y'all. So, I don't even remember the last time I was on here, but what's up, y'all? We in Walmart. Y'all know this my hometown. This is where I grew up. This is where I live. Be where I be. No shade. Like, if you ever want to see me, just come see your nearest Walmart, and I might be there. Do you see something you want, baby? Just about to get a couple of different things. I think I want to do loaded potatoes for dinner. Not really sure. Favorite candy ever in the month of December. They're so soft, so like I can eat them like with my veneers, and they're still like so good. So love those. It's out here boo-booing you guys. It's really rocking my hair to show y'all Alex, not me. But I'm kind of all dressed up. I have to try to run to the nail salon real quick, but I'm waiting on my mama to call me back to let me know if I have time or not. So I got my jacket out of the dryer. Now I'm trying to find y'all. I have a pink necklace that I bought to match. I don't know if y'all can see these pink earrings I have. I bought a freaking pink necklace to match it, and I literally cannot find it. And I know it's in this house somewhere, but I can't find it. All right, you all. So I made it in the Uber. Well, no, Alex is such a freaking joke. He literally does what he wants to do. And that's so funny to me. Because he's just like his mama. But, I'll give y'all an OOTD later. Because I definitely forgot to show y'all my room was a little junky. But, right now, I'm just about to meet my mom and my siblings at Cumberland Mall, y'all. I don't know if I told y'all. I don't even think I told y'all. But I'm taking my siblings school shopping. I'll see you all when I get with my mom and my family. He's at home. Because he thought I was going to the nail salon and then coming here. But I'm not.
Exactly.
Hi, you guys. I'm with my family. Not ugly. Hi. He thought I was going to the nail salon. He thought he had time to get ready, but he didn't. Yeah,
So you love him? She's trifling, y'all, because she knows she could have waited.
I didn't leave him. I gave him an ample amount of time. He didn't want to get out the bed. He's mad because his iPad didn't get delivered. So it's be delivered Monday. It's Tuesday, and we don't have no updates. Girl, now I see why my mama don't be taking a and just be bringing because kids are definitely complicated. My little brother, he's kind of pissing me off because I'm showing him some cute I done up this little nigga budget, and he's just not liking nothing. Like, I guess so.
Yeah, root you on with it. Well, vlog.
All right, y'all. So we just spent $100. The girls got some pants. Now all they need is some tops and they out of my ears. And then I gotta find one of my brothers some sneakers. And then both of them need some clothes as well. I want to get them like 2 or 3 outfits.
Y'all, I got a $3 phone case.
Girl, it ain't even all of that. But we did get some $5 and some $7 jackets and shorts for. So come to Forever 21 because they always gotta. You can buy it herself though. So what she need me for? You can buy it yourself though. But you can buy it yourself though. You don't. But you don't need me. That's what I heard. Hello, look, and that's why you get what you want. This is the pickiest mother out of all of them. Believe it or not. Hey y'all, so right now we're in the food court. I know it's probably really, really loud, but we ended up finding everybody something. My brother got 2 pairs of jeans and some shirts. My other little brother got a bunch of pins. My sisters, they have sweatpants and jackets and they have everything that they need. So we just ordered some American deli. I spent $75 and I fucking forgot to get my man something. I forgot. So we are leaving the mall. All these kids got all they junk that they needed from me. I'm about to prop y'all up so y'all can see me and my siblings taking our pics. But my Uber almost here and they about to go too. Hey y'all, so I'm outside now walking Alex. It feels really good, so I took my jacket off, of course. Come on. He wants to walk around the block, but we're not walking around the block because it's 90 degrees outside, and that means the ground is too hot for Alex to be walking on. So he already pooped, he peed. I checked the mail. Now we're about to go back to the house. And I'm also on the phone with my sister. We're having our little daily girls chat, honey. So I'll probably see. Yeah, we definitely need it. Hey you all, so I just made it to the nail salon. We're about to take these nails off. And then we're gonna get some very simple short nails today, you guys. She's about to do my nails while she's already doing my toes, so I love that. Here's my nails, you guys. They're mediocre. This got about 5 seconds, y'all. And I know it's not her. That's why I'm trying so hard to not curse at her. Like I want her to know that I'm not cursing at her.
Because tracking number that they provided in here cannot be tracked. So
Suspicious because it hasn't been scanned in 3 days, especially if it's an iPad. Why would y'all send it with priority mail, especially when I paid $22 for extra expedited shipping? I need to speak with someone about getting a refund or something, but it's a matter of nobody knows what package is, and I'm still in need of the iPad. I ordered expedited shipment so I can get it early. Girl, these are so backwards. They want me to wait on a motherfucking refund. They want me to wait on the package because it says in transit and it hasn't been scanned in 4. Y'all know packages. Y'all packages at least get scanned once a day, at least. What the you mean my package ain't been scanned in 4 days and you want, oh, it's still on the way. We gave it to the courier. We love a nice, nasty mix. So yeah, I need to speak with the supervisor because you are not offering me the solutions that I'm looking for. Thank you. So I know y'all probably haven't really seen me all day. I really haven't been doing anything today. Today was my lazy day. I laid in the bed and was just lazy. But right now, y'all, I'm up looking at Rolling Loud tickets because I really want to go to Rolling Loud because Nicki Minaj is going to be there and Lil Baby going to be there and Nardo going to be there and Moneybagg going to be there and Nicki, you know, like Nicki, of course, Nicki. So I'm on here looking at the tickets, boo, but I'm also kind of like really scared about like, what if they try to make like the vaccination shit like mandatory last minute or something? Or like, I just also don't want to go there and catch something, you know, like, I don't know if this whole thing will be maintained by next month, you know? So I'm just like, do I even, they have something on here called ticket insurance. Whew. Okay, good morning, you guys. So, I literally look a mess. I'm about to do my hair. Let me take this wrap off. I'm about to do my hair. And then I'm about to run to Best Buy to pick up my boyfriend's iPad. Y'all, I'm going to tell y'all like what has literally been going on with them. We have been going back and forth with them for a freaking week. Have paid literally over $1,000 at this freaking point. It's literally been how much? Like $1,100 we spent with them at this point, and it's just been such a freaking inconvenience. Let me hurry up and do my hair, and then I'll be right back. Now I have on this black little top that I got from H&M. These shorts are from, I don't know, I think they're from like a boutique or something. And then I have on my Jordan, what are these, my 13s or my 12s? I can't remember. 12s or 13s, or is it here my like my sandals? I really just can't decide, y'all. Like, sandal, sneaker. Like, the sneaker is cute. I can put my little, maybe my white shades on. But then the sandal is simple, you know? Hey, y'all. So, I'm at Best Buy. And, yeah, I'm about to get, I'm about to pick up this fucking iPad that I ordered last night. Hi. I'm here for a pickup. So I got this iPad from Best Buy. Now I'm about to, so I told him that he was gonna have to wait till next week to get the pen, but I'm actually gonna go buy the pen now and like surprise him with it. Because I'm just the best girlfriend ever, and I know. It's a Starbucks and Target, so we're gonna go there. All right, so I made it to Target, and he had to go to the back to get the second generation, and it wasn't coming up as on sale on his end, but I saw it as $99.99 on my phone. And you know they price match, so we're gonna get it for $99.99, and that's the price of the first generation, and we're getting the second generation, so that's exciting. Only other thing I need out of here is some wipes, and then I'm going home, and then he's gonna meet me at my house. I'm gonna make him think that like we're gonna come and get it though. I told him I was just going to the beauty supply store, so I'm gonna make him think that I don't have it, and then when he comes to my house, he's gonna see it. And he knows he has the iPad, but he doesn't know that he has the pen, so it's exciting, yay. I stopped at Starbucks, y'all, because I'm a little parched and I still have some time to wait on my Uber. So I think I'm gonna get either the strawberry acai or the mango dragon fruit. And I'm gonna get a venti because I'm real thirsty. So I'll show y'all what I end up getting. All right, y'all, so I'm back home now, and I did end up getting the apple swimsuit. I got the second generation, and I told y'all it was on sale for $99.99 at Target. So if y'all buying it, go buy it for Target. It's $29 off. Let me take this sticker off. Here is his iPad, you guys. It's brand spanking new from freaking Best Buy. So I'm about to put both of these in his little, like I told y'all, he knows he has the iPad, but he doesn't know that he has this pencil, because I told him not to buy it because he don't need to be spending no more money, and then I told him that I wasn't even gonna buy it. So I think he'll be very happy about that, because all he been talking about is drawing on this fucking iPad. So now that he has his iPad, I can stop hearing his mouth, and he also has the pencil, so one less thing that he gotta buy. I got this bag from Target, and I'm gonna just put his Because I told y'all I lied to him and told him that like we're about to go to Target to get the iPad. So he's on his way to my house. So we just got to package this up in here. Fits literally perfect in the bag. And then we're gonna put his pencil right in there. And then in my other room, I should have some tissue paper to just make it look pretty. Okay, so the tissue paper was downstairs. Y'all see it's a little jumbled up. But we got some. So let me show y'all how my mama taught me how to stuff bags. So you take it and you open it all the way up. And then you grab in the middle like this. And then just literally pull down. See that? Grab it in the middle. Pull it down like that. Stuff it in the bag like that. And look at that, already coming together. So we're about to do that a couple of times. All right, you all, so it's all packed up, and whenever you see this, I love you so much, babe, and I can't wait to be with you on your new journey. So period on the motherfucking vibe. So okay, boom, and then let me just act like Safari is open, but it's actually recording. That is so cool. Okay, boom.
No, you did.
I got him, y'all. Oh my god.
Why you went without me?
So, I went this morning.
Oh, wow.
Like I was downstairs washing dishes.
Hold on.
So cute.
Yeah, y'all broke ass niggas. Y'all broke ass niggas and girls can never. Ooh.
Looks so good.
I never had an iPad, so like.
I was gonna get you a case, but you should get the one.
Yeah, it coming tomorrow. Ooh. Like,
This looks so good, oh my god. And the air is really air. I just wanted to show you really what I was doing all day, because y'all saw me running around looking crazy in Target, looking crazy. When I told you I was going to the beauty supply store, I was on the way to Best Buy.
Oh, I really thought you went.
And then
Did you really go to the beauty supply store?
No, I just went to Best Buy. And then I walked over to Target. It's actually that spot of pencil, y'all.
I didn't give me a kiss.
Look, I was recording you.
This girl gonna say, "What's my password?" She trying to act like she don't
It's
know
not
my
for
password.
your device, babe. It's for your...
What's my password for how anything you got into? What was my passwords?
Right, y'all. So I'm just walking Alex right now. We just walked around the whole complex. Come on. Oh wait, I think I locked the back door. Smell his piss. I guess that's what dogs do to like mark their territory and stuff. But ugh, I ain't going back to smell my piss. Leave it there. Keep it.